Hi everyone, this is a quick demo of my Movies app built using React Native, Expo and TypeScript. So let me start showing you the full functionality of the app, how it looks, how you can interact with it, and some of the main features. So at first you can see the home screen. Here we have the carousel. We have this top navigation bar. We have these two My List and Discover buttons, and also the wish list and details buttons. So for the carousel functionality, you can slide the images to change between movies. Also, you can use this navigation at the bottom of the carousel to go from one movie to another. As you can see, it has also an autoplay feature, so each 2 seconds it changes the movie. Then you can add a movie to your wish list. How does this work? You can go to a specific movie and press the wishlist button. As you can see, there's a message that tells you that it's successfully added to your wish list. But if you go back and you try to add it once more, uh, there's a new message that tells you that there is already this movie in your wish list. So this is the wish list. As you can see, there is the movie that we just added. You can remove it. Then you have different categories. As you can see, this is a movies section component, and each of them has like its header, and it is like a slider. So here we have Marvel Studios movies, best movies, action movies, trending, and coming soon. At the end of the homepage, we have this add component. This doesn't work because it's just for the mockup. Then in each section you can go, let's finish with a carousel first. You can see the details of a movie. You can see the title, the release date, the runtime, language, genres, the rating, and also a description of every movie that you see in the carousel with this button. And also this My List button navigates to the wishlist page. So that way we end with the carousel. Now let's go to the section parts. You have this see more button because as you can see there's a limited number of movies in the slider. So if you go there, you will see that you have access to all the movies that correspond to this category. Marvel Studios in this case, and you can add also these movies to your wish list. So we will see in a moment that these two movies are added to our wish list, and we can do the same with other categories. For example, trending now, we can add these two, and let's go back. So now the final feature that we have in the home screen is this top navigation bar. As you can see, when you press one, there's a smooth animation that changes the home screen, and now you can see the category is romance in this case. So there are a lot of movies. You have kids. Those are family movies, horror, crime, and other categories too. So this works the same as before. You press the see more button and you can see all the crime movies that we have available. You can also add one of these if you want and go back. So now that we added some pictures or some movies, you can see that the wish list is longer. We have more movies here and we could remove them if we want. Now let's see the search page or search screen. Here, this is an asynchronous process. You can search, for example, for Avengers, and as you can see, there are all the Avengers movies that we have available. You can add some of them to your wish list if you want. Also, SpongeBob. So if you press these buttons, you will see that in our wish list, there are all the movies that we wanted to add. And now let's see the last screen that we have, that it's the profile screen. Here you can tell how much movies an user has added to his or to its wish list. So in this case, there are 16 movies, and this is also something that updates with each action that happens in the wish list. As you can see, I deleted 3, and now the user has 13 movies. These buttons are for the mockup, and the view wish list sends you to the wish list screen. So those are the main functionalities that this movies app has. To cover all the requirements for this video, let's talk about what we used. For the icons, we used font awesome 6 icons throughout the entire app. As you can see, this add to wish list icon, for example, or the bottom navigation bar. These are also from that library. Then you already saw the different screens that we have. Here at the bottom we have 4 screens, uh, and the see more screen is the other one that we have. So in total we have 5 different screens. Then we have different components. As you saw before, we had an add component, the carousel component, a custom button component that we reused throughout all the project, a custom model that it's the one that shows when you press the details button, the custom snack bar that is the wish list functionality. This is the snack bar. Then we have the movie card that is each of these movies in the section, in the search bar, and in other places in the app. We have the movie section, a screen header to make all these pages titles look the same, the search, wish list, and profile to keep same design. And also we have the text component and the top navigation component that is the one that you see here at the home screen with the animation. So let's continue. For navigation, we have the app navigator and the tab navigator to go from one screen to another. This app is built with dark mode, so it is default dark mode. It doesn't support light mode yet, but it is a feature that will be added in the future. We have different tabs for navigation at the bottom. Then we have the modals implemented that we used for the details button. We have the navigation that we already mentioned, and also in this top navigation bar, the different categories or genres of movies. Then the app consumes data from the movie database using Axios, and we have different kind of movies. As you saw before, we have Marvel Studios, best movies, action movies, training now, and other categories. All of these movies or API calls are handled in a separate TMDB file using async functions. And finally, about the carousel, we use React Native reanimated carousel for the movie banners in the home screen, and it supports this horizontal scroll, and it looks smooth. And finally, the deployment. In this case, this movie app was successfully deployed not to an app store, but we obtained the .aab file to continue with the deployment process in the future. So that step is also completed, and that's all. Thank you.